Just because the symptom is electrical doesn't mean the root cause is. A loose battery terminal, corrosion, a spread out pin, a wiring harness that's rubbed through on a bracket, none of these are really electrical faults. But electrically, the failure mode is still predictable, and that matters. Welcome to GrimmBilt. Why pay somebody to screw it up when you can screw it up yourself? Maybe even learn something in the process. People hear electrical fault and immediately think, ooh, expensive. Bad module, bad sensor, weird wiring problem, something complicated. But a lot of these so-called electrical problems, they're just physical problems that showed up electrically. And a lot of those intermittent problems, same thing. Loose connections, terminal tension issues, vibration, corrosion, things that physically make and break contact. Loose battery terminal, that's a physical connection issue. Electrically, power fault. Corroded ground, physical contamination. Electrically, resistance issue. Spread connector terminals, mechanical wear. Electrically, incomplete circuit. Harness rubbed through on a bracket, physical damage. Electrically, power or ground fault, depending on what happened. That's why this matters, because if you understand how electrical systems can fail, the root causes can look completely different, but the failure mode's still recognizable. And y'all, that's grit. Ground fault, resistance issue, incomplete circuit, or power fault. Different causes, same predictable failure pattern. And this is one method you can incorporate to keep yourself from guessing. Don't get distracted by what the failure mode looks like. Focus on how the circuit failed. Because whether it's corrosion, vibration, damage, intermittent contact, or just component failure, the root cause may change, but the failure patterns don't. So get a grip. If you enjoyed this content, like, subscribe, or just roast me in the comments. Whatever, man. Be a good time for everyone.